Coach, if SPY breaks this level to the downside where it's at right now, it's hammer time, isn't it?
You guys are on a double bottom, right?
We're at a
Correct.
real critical level right here.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys are on a double bottom at 541.50. So yeah, if it breaks that, it's definitely going to have a nice pull to 541-ish. Let's see.
The Dow Jones is climbing.
Thank you. Listen, if it's going to bounce, it's going to be here, yes?
Yep.
Yeah.
100%.
That's what I was thinking. I just wanted confirmation.
Yep, absolutely. Just be patient. Nobody's in a hurry, right? And you guys have 6 more hours of trading, right? So this isn't like, I must do it all right now. No, be patient. Wait. Yeah, just waiting to see here with SPY if it's going to do anything, the cues. But if you guys look at this, though, right, on the 2-minute, I want you guys to see how choppy. Look at this 2-minute down here, right? So it really wasn't until this candle that you got in, and then it's just kind of choppy, right? But even if you're in the 2-minute EWO on SPY, you're still good. You're still green, right? It's just chop soup right here. And you must be aware that you're sitting on a double bottom, possible bounce to the upside, being extra cautious. When in doubt, straddle it out. That's a call and a put at the same thing. 10 seconds till the market gets more volume. Here comes SPY breaking through. SPY is now breaking through that 541.50 shift change. So if it breaks 541.50, watch for the pull to 541. Still being cautious. You never know when it's going to bounce. Everybody, keep your head in the game. Don't get crazy on me, okay? And remember on pullbacks, anybody that's trading anything 50%, 20%, 20%, 10%.